This is good stuff here. All right. So notice this one has how many consonants in the middle of the vowels?
One.
One. So that means most of the time, the A is going to be an open syllable and it's going to get to say its name. So what does this word say?
Ravens.
Do you like the Ravens? Do you know the Baltimore Ravens, the football team?
Yeah, I don't like them.
Oh, you don't like them? Okay. I figured I'd ask. All right. How about this one? This one has two consonants in the middle. So this is probably going to be a closed syllable.
Socket. Socket.
Socket. You know what a socket is?
No.
It's like what you put a plug into. A socket.
I call that a plug.
I mean, it could be a plug, right? For sure. What do you think this one's going to be? Look how many consonants are in the middle.
One.
Good. So what do you think it's going to say?
Open.
Very good. So what do you think the word's going to be?
Humid.
So let's cover up Q and just read the second part. Humid. Good. All right. So I'm going to put an O there and a C there. And you're going to put them right underneath to tell me what they're going to be. Okay? So humid was going to be open, right? Do you know what humid means?
Hot.
What? Yes, it means like hot and kind of like super sweaty. All right. You don't have to write anything. You're just going to put them there. Here, I'll take your marker for you, actually, because you don't even need it. All right. All right. Where did Raven go? Okay. Where did socket go? Good. All right. How about this one? Idle. Very good. How did you know it was going to say I?
Because there was one consonant.
Because there was one consonant. Very good. All right. Let me get some other cards over here and see how you do with these ones.
No, these ones.
Ooh, here's a tough one. Read that again.
Egg, pig, pigment.
Pigment. Good. That's also a tough one. All right. How about this one?
Insert.
Try that second part again.
Slow.
Read it again.
Insult. Insult.
Very good. Insult. How did you know it was closed?
Because there were two consonants.
Very good. All right, let's try two more and we're done.
Pigment.
Picnic. Good. Is it open or closed?
Closed.
How do you know?
Because there's two consonants.
Very good. All right, this is my last one. Let's see. Which one do I want to give you? I'm going to give you this one. It's a tricky one.
Creepy bee.
Creepy bee. How many consonants? Okay.
Cube. Cube. Cubic.
Cubic. You know what cubic is?
No.
It's like when it makes it's like a math term. Cubic. Did I say two more or did I say one more?
You said two more and I just did picnic and
Okay, so that was it. All right, good job. We're going to come back to these. We're going to revisit these because this is part of our game. Unit.
I'm scared.
How many consonants are there? Yep.
Prefix.
Prefix, very good. Vital. No peeking. put them all back in, but we still have minutes. Alexa, how much time do we have left?
You have 1 minute and 50 seconds left.
Hurry.
Okay. Helmet. Helmet.
Helmet. Picnic. Picnic.
Picnic. Pocket. I got yours. Pocket.
Please get a bus.
Oh, I'm sure I will.
Plug. Plug.
Pub.
Publish.
Very good. Publish. Oh, publish. There was 2 publishes, but 2 different B's.
You should have put that.
Nope, lay it down. Turn it over. Cover up the half.
Insult.
Insult. Right, you've had that word
We
a
have
couple
some
times now.
we have some time.
Yep.
left.
Protect. Protect.
Can you please get a buzz?
I am lucky today.
Pigment. Yes!
Buzz for me.
Yes!
All right.
Unit.
Very good reading. Equal. Equal.
I'm gonna win.
You might. Let's say. Lay it down.
Hold
on. Alexa, turn it off. How many letters are in between?
1.
So that means it's
Humid.
very good. All right, good job.
I won.
You won. All right. Tic-Tac-Toe.
3.
3 in a row. All right. I'll go first. I'll read the word. Ready? Picnic. Did you see?
Yeah.
Hold on. You got to write the word somewhere. Picnic. Do the sounds. It.
Oh.
Pick. Ick.
Pick. Picnic.
Touch those sounds. Ick. Ick. It's a C.
Picnic.
That's an I. Very good. And the only other weird thing is they're both C's. So that's a C too. Can you fix that guy? Make him a C.
Everything's so hard for me.
Nah.
It's my turn.
All right, your turn. Give me a word. Don't make it too hard.
I will.
Okay.
All the way from...
What you got for me? Oh, you picked it from the middle, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Decide if it's an open or closed vowel.
Idol.
Idol? Like
Idol.
American Idol? Okay, idol. I'm gonna go right here. Doll. All.
You can't get a 3 and oh, you can.
Idol.
I know what you're gonna do.
You know? All right,
Oh,
here's your
okay.
word. Okay, oh, the word you've been reading a couple times today. Insult. Insult. Some of these don't sound like it, but this one does kind of sound like it. Okay, touch your sounds. Let's say insult.
Insult.
consult. There you go. Good job. All right, pick one for me. I see where you're going. I'm gonna block you.
I see where not you going because you're not going anywhere.
Go ahead. What word do you have for me?
Pigment.
Pig. Men. Look at those last two letters.
Pigment.
Pigment. Pigment. That's not a fun word. Pigment. All right, I'm blocking
What
you.
does that mean?
Pigment is like when it's something like has a lot of color in it.
Oh.
Pig, egg, ment. Pigment. Pigment. All right.
Where we are.
I blocked you. Okay, your word is unit. Touch those letters. Does it say unit?
You.
Where's you? It's just a U. Just a U. Just a U. Yep. Erase all those other guys.
Unit.
U. It.
Unit.
U. It. Good. U. It. Unit. All right. Go ahead. Read me a word.
Humid.
Humid. All right. Humid. Id.
And
Humid.
I win.
Where? What? I didn't see that one.
I was gonna put one here.
Right?
So, you would try to block,
That would have been a good
Here.
one.
and then I don't know what I would cut.
All right. Your word is raven.
Ravens.
Raven. Break it up into syllables. You never know, huh?
Ravens.
Okay. Make that a D.
This.
Yeah, it's very tricky because sometimes it's an I and sometimes it's an E. It always kind of sounds like that would be a B.
Raven.
Ravens. Ravens. Raven. And then I guess if we're going to talk about the ravens, we need to throw an S in there.